Hello, it's Taylor here from Burnley Youth Theatre, and today for our BYT challenge I'm going to be showing you how to create puppets from household items, so anything you have at home lying around. Now, with what we are creating today, you probably will need help from a grown-up if that's possible, especially if you're using scissors or anything like that, or taking things out of cupboards. Maybe you need to ask your parents first before you go rummaging and stealing things to make our puppets. But first, before we get started, okay, the first puppet I'm going to show you how to make is I made a crocodile out of an egg carton and other bits and bobs that I found lying around the house. So let's see how it's made. made a crocodile there out of all sorts of bits and bobs that I found in the house, but you can make absolutely anything. I hope that just gave you a bit of inspiration of something to create. Okay, now something that's slightly a bit easier, I've also created a fish using only a handful of things that I have found in the house, and things that are a bit more easy to find, I'd guess. So if you want to know how to make this fish puppet, continue watching. You enjoyed watching those two clips on how to make two different puppets using everyday household items that could be lying around. I've also added something that you might have seen, a short clip at the end of our video. I've taken objects from that could potentially be in your cupboard. And all I've done is attached some eyes, a mouth, a little bow tie, some eyebrows. Now this you can either print off, you can colour in a mouth or a set of eyes and stick it to something in the fridge or in your cupboard. So we've got a tomato ketchup there. Also made a little person from a baked bean can. And last but not least, a huge jar of Branston pickle. We've given him some lovely hair there as well, some eyes and a very lovely moustache. Okay, so I really hope that we've given you plenty of ideas to come up with creating your own puppets at home. And as part of our Burnley Youth Theatre Challenge, we would like you to set aside some time and hopefully make a puppet from anything you find lying around the house. As long as it has a pair of eyes, you can bring anything to life. So if you want to create your own everyday household puppet, please do either take a picture or send us a video, and you can post it on our Facebook page. You can tag us on Instagram. You can also send it to our Burnley Youth Theatre email address. We'll pop that down below in the comments. So please, 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 if you want to make anything like this, please do let us know. It's been so much fun making this for you. So we will see you next time for our next Burnley Youth Theatre Challenge. See you soon.